Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a video response for Cara Mia's Corner. This is for her 2021 craft challenge, crafty challenge. So I'm kind of out of my element here. I'm filming with my iPhone. I'm having some issues with my desktop, so I just wanted to go ahead and shoot this really quick video for last week's challenge. So last week we were challenged with a DIY peekaboo card, and she always wants you to shop your staff and let's craft. And so she wanted you to use stickers, a 1.5-inch circle die or punch, embossing folders, cardstock, scrapbook paper and texture, and a sentiment. So for my card, I chose to use my 1.5-inch circle punch, some ephemera from Jen Hatfield collection. I used a Cuttlebug embossing folder. And then I used a sweet little sentiment from this Stamping Up set Celebrate Sunflowers. And so this is my design. It's kind of hard to show with one hand, but I just basically had the cute little ephemera on the front from the Jen Hatfield collection. And then I had the little sticker here. And then when you open it up, another little design slides in, which was the butterfly. And then there's my little sentiment. It says, know that you are loved. So this was super fun to make, and I really enjoyed it. I wish I would have made a couple of more to show you, but this has been a very long week. So this is my design. So check out Cara Mia's Corner's website. Sorry, not her website, but her YouTube channel. Maybe join the challenge. It's the Cara Mia's Corner Crafty Challenge 2021. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.